Oh man, it's always great to see a classic car you rarely ever seen. I mean, I saw one of these last week in Granby, but that was only because it was Granby, and Granby is the largest classic car show in Canada. And hey, you got the whole attire, sir, that fits your car there, eh? Is this car, imagine, from the States?
No, it's a Canadian one.
It's a Canadian. It's surprising because you probably, if you know as well as I do, these cars really rusted, especially the frames, and electronics were not too good. Everything else was great. Drivetrain was great, but that's why they're hard to find today.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm actually making a little video here for my YouTube channel there, and thank you for bringing this out. This is really a beautiful original specimen. Look at the vinyl top. It's amazing. The Lando bars. It's amazing. I mean, look at that original, probably original gold paint there. Not the original, but
It's been repainted, but it's the original.
look at this. Great to see this. Look at that. The thing has a... Oh, I thought it had an additional light. It's just a Thunderbird script next to the side marker. Original wheels. Even the white walls are not the originals, but they look just exactly like they would have been in the brochures, in the ads. Wow. What's the mileage on it?
It's 130.
130, eh?
Yeah.
Hey, c'est-tu quelque chose? Is this something or what? Amazing. I know you just got here. My friend saw you come in. He's like, look at that T-Bird. Like, oh my God, a suicide door Lincoln. Hey, quand est-ce que tu vas voir ça, là? Celui que j'ai vu à Granby, c'était un deux portes. And it was completely restored. No, it was gray, metallic. Yeah, that's right. First year like this. Well, I'm sure the gray wasn't original, but sure, it really looked amazing. I mean, that's a no expense spared restoration. I mean, you see the tires on that thing with the wire wheels, and it's that flyer, là, comme on dit. Is that a 390? Oh, it's a 429. Oh, even better. Man, that's probably at least 350 horsepower, eh? It's a 429 big block, man. Amazing. I can't believe this is a Canadian car. Look at that. I like how they had the bird here and the tail light and the side marker light there. It's too bad the front is not in the rear in the sun, but whatever. I can't believe that's a Canadian car. Somebody pampered this car the whole life. If it was restored, it doesn't look like it needed much to it at all, really. What I love, Nick, you're next to me, what I love about these cars is just how long that massive hood is. If I didn't say that, yeah, if I didn't say that in the, yeah, of course the hideaway lights too. And also what I love about these cars, I didn't say any of this when I filmed that gray one Grand because I did it so quick. I love the way they did, like how this comes out, yeah, it just juts out from the fender. It's so unique, you know, it's just, there's nothing like that. It's flawless. It's flawless. I mean, look at the roof. Somebody did a really good job restoring this, or it really didn't need to be restored. It just needed a paint, vinyl. Hey, did you see this? Wow. Is that for ventilation, the whole back shelf here? That's from here, eh? This was unique to these cars. Look at this right here, and then here. That's not all speakers there. That's all for ventilation, eh? Hey, sticker, huh? Hey, they only had that on these cars. I don't think that was on LTDs or anything. Look at that. That's the only flaw I've seen. Y'a rien là. Amazing, man. Amazing. Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, a little bit here. But whatever. I mean, it doesn't... Who cares? You know, the car... So it's an old repaint, probably. Yeah. Man, these hubcaps alone must be worth a fortune. Just because they're so rare out here. I'm actually surprised there's a little bit of rusting there, but again, it's not horrible. It's not a really terrible thing. Ouais, vraiment, monsieur, merci beaucoup d'emmener ça.